Japan is one of the most fascinating travel destinations in the world, offering a mix of ancient traditions and cutting-edge modernity. For those planning their first visit, it's crucial to be well prepared. This video will provide a comprehensive guide on what to bring to Japan and what should be left behind, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. 1. Passport and visa requirements. The most important document for international travel is a valid passport. Japan generally allows entry as long as the passport remains valid throughout the stay. However, travelers should check their home country's regulations, as some nations require at least 6 months of validity. Additionally, Japan offers visa exemptions for visitors from 71 countries. For others, obtaining a visa in advance is necessary. Checking the official website of the Japanese Ministry of Foreign Affairs is recommended to confirm entry requirements before traveling. 2. Cash and credit cards. While Japan is increasingly cashless, many small businesses, local restaurants, and rural shops still only accept cash. Having a mix of both cash and credit cards is advisable. Most ATMs and convenience stores, such as 7-Eleven, support international withdrawals, but travelers should inform their banks of their trip to avoid issues when using their cards abroad. 3. Smartphone charger and adapters. A smartphone is indispensable for navigation, translations, and cashless payments. Since Japan uses Type A plugs with 100V voltage, travelers should ensure their devices are compatible. If necessary, a voltage converter should be brought for devices like hair dryers. Additionally, having a power bank is recommended as phone batteries drain quickly during travel days. 4. Portable Wi-Fi or SIM card. To stay connected, visitors can rent a portable Wi-Fi device or purchase a prepaid SIM card upon arrival. While free Wi-Fi is available in some areas, having personal internet access makes traveling more convenient. Pre-ordering a SIM card or Wi-Fi router for airport pickup is a hassle-free option. 5. Travel insurance and medical documents. Japan has an excellent healthcare system, but medical expenses for tourists can be high. Travel insurance covering medical costs, trip cancellations, and theft is highly recommended. Carrying a copy of insurance documents and a list of essential medical information in case of emergencies is also advisable. 6. Comfortable footwear and weather-appropriate clothing. Japan is a country best explored on foot, making comfortable walking shoes essential. Depending on the season, packing the right clothing is important. Summer is hot and humid, requiring light, breathable fabrics, while winter can be freezing, especially in northern areas. A light raincoat or umbrella is useful for unpredictable weather. 7. Essential toiletries and skincare products. Many hotels in Japan provide basic amenities, but for those with specific skincare routines, bringing personal skincare products is recommended. Due to airline restrictions, liquids must be packed in containers under 100 milliliters and stored in a transparent plastic bag. 8. Small towels and wet wipes. Public restrooms in Japan often lack paper towels or hand dryers, making a small hand towel useful. Wet wipes are also handy for freshening up during travels or cleaning hands before meals. 9. Prescription medications and health supplements. Visitors should bring an adequate supply of prescribed medications, along with a doctor's note or prescription copy. Japan has strict regulations on medicines, and some over-the-counter drugs in other countries may be restricted. Checking Japan's medication import rules in advance is essential. 10. A day's worth of clothing and carry-on. Lost luggage, though rare, can happen. Having a spare set of clothing in a carry-on bag can be a lifesaver in case of unexpected delays in baggage arrival. 11. Small souvenirs from home. Tipping is not customary in Japan. Instead, giving a small gift as a token of appreciation is a great way to express gratitude. Bringing small souvenirs from one's home country to share with hosts or guides adds a personal touch to the experience. 12. Basic Japanese phrases and translation apps. While many Japanese people understand basic English, knowing a few essential Japanese phrases can be helpful. Common greetings, asking for directions, and polite expressions like arigato gozaimasu, thank you very much, or sumimasen, excuse me, can enhance the experience. Using translation apps like Google Translate or downloading offline Japanese phrasebooks can be valuable tools. 13. Transportation cards and rail passes. Japan's public transport system is among the best in the world. Visitors can benefit from IC cards like Suica or Pasmo for easy payment on trains, buses, and even vending machines. For those planning to travel extensively, the Japan Rail Pass is a cost-effective option, providing unlimited rides on Shinkansen, bullet trains, and other JR-operated lines, things that should not be brought to Japan. While packing, travelers should be aware of prohibited or restricted items that cannot be brought into Japan. 1. Meat and dairy products. Bringing meat, dairy, or fresh produce into Japan is strictly prohibited due to biosecurity laws. Failure to comply can result in severe penalties. 2. Counterfeit goods and brand knockoffs. Japan enforces strict copyright laws, and possessing or importing counterfeit luxury goods can lead to confiscation or fines. 3. Pornographic and explicit content. Possession of uncensored adult DVDs or magazines is illegal in Japan. Items violating Japan's strict obscenity laws can be seized at customs. 4. Certain animal and leather products. Products made from endangered animals, such as crocodile leather accessories, require special permits. Violating regulations under the Washington Convention can lead to confiscation or legal penalties. 5. Illegal drugs and prescription narcotics. Japan has a zero-tolerance policy on illegal drugs. Even medications containing substances legal in other countries, such as certain painkillers and ADHD treatments, require special approval before entering Japan. It is crucial to check the official government list for prohibited substances. 6. Large amounts of cash. While carrying cash is common, amounts exceeding 1 million yen, approximately 7,000, must be declared upon arrival. Failure to do so can lead to legal complications. 7. Drones and high-powered cameras. Japan has strict regulations on drone usage. Flying drones in populated areas or near important landmarks, such as temples and government buildings, is often prohibited. Travelers planning to bring drones should check local regulations and obtain necessary permits. 8. Sharp objects and weapons. Even small items like pocket knives or scissors may be flagged at customs. While kitchen knives can be transported in checked luggage, carrying them in hand luggage is strictly prohibited. Final tips for a smooth trip. To ensure a hassle-free journey, travelers should double-check their packing lists and review Japan's customs regulations before departure. Careful preparation can prevent unnecessary stress and make the trip more enjoyable. For more useful tips about Japan, make sure to subscribe to Stories of Japan. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below with any questions. See you in the next video.